Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
1.5 month, what has happened is, the incoming power problem is solved. But now there are constant daily shutdowns. Even here now in Sankwal, Verna, every now and then I get calls. But what is the reason? There's a shutdown. 4-5 shutdowns a day. Now people think why should we pay extra? They feel cheated. Now this is not related to incoming power. It is the quality of infrastructure. Constant frequent outages is costing us severely in terms of cards and electronics. And they're all imported infrastructure. So again, it's kind of affecting. I've been getting calls saying that earlier it was better. In the sense, at least the outages were planned. Just to say, okay, tonight 6 to 11 there won't be power. Now it is just suddenly it goes off. So what happens? People in the continuous process industry can't even plan. So their whole production, everything goes goes for a toss. It's loss of material, loss of customer delivery, and as it is, the economy is just coming back onto tracks after COVID. It's a questionable structure.
स्मॉरमर जे आसा ते कमी लोडाचे आशिल्ल्या कारणान तो लोड प्रॉब्लेम जाला. त्या खातीरूच आज आमची मिटींग आसा आतां आनी त्या नंतर आमी हें डिसिजन घेतलें, आमी जाणा तें, आनी त्या खातीर जे ट्रान्सफॉर्मराचे आमी जी हें दिल्या ऑर्डर दिल्या आनी जे मोठे ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आसा ते आमी रिपेर करपाक घेतल्या.